Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the trigonometric proof which I have written on the whiteboard. A given cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus tan A equals to secant A. Here we need to prove the left hand side equals to right hand side by using the basic trigonometric identities. So like the tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So we are going to use those kind of trigonometric identities. So let me write down the rules which we are going to use in this. First one is tan A. Tan A can be written as sin A divided by cos A. So if you substitute tan A as sin A by cos A, so let's take LHS first. So LHS is cos A divided by 1 plus sin A, and tan A can be written as sin A divided by cos A. So now take LCD and simplify this. So we'll get cos A into cos A plus sin A into 1 plus sin A whole divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So if we simplify this, cos A into cos A becomes cos square A. If you distribute a sin A and 1 plus sin A, we'll get sin A plus sin square A whole divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So here we have a cos square plus sin square. So cos square A plus sin square A becomes 1. So the numerator becomes 1 plus sin A whole divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So we have 1 plus sin A in both numerator and denominator. So it cancels out. We'll get 1 by cos A. So 1 by cos A can be written as secant A. So which is nothing but the right hand side. So hence the given trigonometric proof is proved. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.